before they said that women, they are gold diggers. Like right now, the table has turned around. Even the men, they turn it around. They even scatter the table. Make it till morning. Amazing people, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much for coming back to watch my video once again. So if today is your first time here, my name is Mercy. I'm in Nigeria, currently living here in Germany with my family. I do video around like family vlogs, beauty, hair, and all that. So if something that you are interested in, please don't hesitate to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, as you can see, today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I received some items from Shein. These two packages from Shein, and this particular one is from Justfab. So we are going to be unboxing it, and then we'll see what is inside. And at the same time, I'm going to be having like chit chat with you guys. Like, I just want to share this post I saw on Facebook. So if something that you are interested in, please keep on watching. So we're going to start from this one. Let's go ahead and open it and then see what is inside. Okay guys, I received this item I think since last week, which I suppose by now open it, but I'm just waiting so that I can use it to do like unboxing video. This one here, just as I said before, is from Shein. Okay, so this one here is a jeans trouser, and this is for me, guys. If I'm not able to show you guys like how it looks on my body, definitely I'm going to put the model that I saw on Shein before I bought it, okay, so that you guys can just have idea how this jeans trouser looks like when you put it on. It's very, very nice. And when I saw it, and the material is so nice, guys, so comfortable in the body. This is the first one. We're going to put it outside. So this is the next one, guys. This is a jeans trouser as well. So this is how it looks like. This light is not doing justice to the color of this. It's so nice. And the jeans here, okay, I did not even show you guys like the design. As you can see, it's high waist, okay, and then it has these 3 buttons here. It's very nice. Maybe I will try it on, then I'll show you guys, okay. And this one has elastic, okay, in the waist as well. It's very, very nice. I'm definitely going to be showing you guys like the models, okay, in the Shein. So this one is finished. Let's go ahead and open this one as well. So here, so we have this one. Like, I just want to change all my jeans trousers, honestly, so that's why I bought a lot of jeans trousers. So as you can see here, guys, this one has elastic as well. Like when I saw it on Shein, like it fit the model like very well. I don't know how it's gonna look on my body anyway, but we're going to see. Okay guys, so look at it here. This one has elastic. This is gonna hide some fat in your tummy, okay? So let's put it aside. We have this one here. So this one is the dress, which I believe that is gonna be my size. I saw it, like I love it. This is a shine dress for Christmas. Look at this, guys. This is so pretty. Oh God, how I wish I can just try it on so that you guys can see it. So this is how the dress is, guys. This is a long dress, very pretty, guys. So that is it for Shein. So let me put it aside and open this one from Justfab. So this is how it looks, guys, when you open it. So the first item here is this one. So we're going to open it. Oh, I just love how Justfab just pack these things. Most of the time, if I buy something from Justfab, they normally come with the box, yeah, like shoe box. But this time around, they put it in just the this black bag, which I find it very nice anyway. But so this is the shoe I bought from them, guys. I don't know whether this light is doing justice, you know, for this shoe, guys. Look at it, very pretty. This one here is for me, okay? This one here is for me. I want to use it to do Christmas for myself. So I just love it, guys. So this is the first item from Justfab, yeah. This is the second one. This particular one here is another shoe, but this time around, this one I bought is for Blessing. Blessing and I use the same size, which is 39. Look at it, guys. This one is so pretty. Look at it, it's very nice. So I bought this one for Blessing, which I find so nice as well, guys. What do you think? So this is the second item. Then the next one is this. Okay. Okay, so this one here is for Amarachi, guys. Look at it, very pretty. Oh my gosh. I just love it, guys. Look. I don't know whether this one, which size is this? So this is the third shoe. This is the next one. So this one, okay, I think this one is for Oge, and then this is for Amarachi, guys. It has this beautiful light here, which I believe they're going to like. You know, the kids, they like shine things. So I don't know, the light is not showing. It's only when I think it's showing like small here, and this one has light as well. As you can see, it's blinking. So this one, it really go well with this Christmas, because Christmas is shine things that we need. Yeah, I think it's only shoes that I bought. Or okay, it's not only shoes. No, most of the time when you buy something, you will not even know what you bought until you start seeing them. Wow, this is nice, guys. Look at it here, very comfortable, and it's so rich and so unique, guys. I'm just love this. This is sweater pants. It's so nice, and it's gonna be good for this cold weather. And it's so thick. Oh my gosh, so thick. I love it. So this is the next item that I got from Justfab. This one is the next one. Definitely this one's gonna be for Ugonna. So this is it. Wow, this is more beautiful compared to when I saw it on their website. Like, I just love it. Oh my gosh, this is so nice, guys. Look. I just love it for this winter, guys. So this one here is for Ugonna, yeah. So let's put it aside. So this is the last item here in this box. Justfab. I did not see David's size. Yeah, it was this recently, you know, they started selling kids stuff in the Justfab. Before, it's only my item that I normally buy, but now you can see children's shoes, children's, you know, clothing and all that, which I find it very, very nice, because most of the time it's from Justfab that I normally buy things from. So guys, this one is another shoe for Gwana. Yeah, very nice. Wow. I'm going to add it to the Christmas gift, guys. Yeah, because we're almost there. Christmas is around the corner. Yeah. See, it's so nice, guys. I just love everything that I got from Justfab. They are just unique. So nice. I just love it, honestly. So, guys, that is it for unboxing right now. I'm going to be reading out like the post I saw on Facebook, so that I can share it with you guys, okay? So the post says that a couple ends things with each other following the wife's refusal to hand over documents of her inherited house to her husband. This is just after 4 months. The husband insists that the wife must hand over the documents, that the house she inherited from her daddy. Guys, like, what is happening now? Before, they said that women, they are gold diggers. Like, right now, the table has turned around. Even the men, they turn it around. They even scatter the table, honestly. They turn the thing around though, and then they scatter the table. What is happening this time around is so surprising. Like, even though that the wife wants to hand over the house she inherited from the daddy, it must come from her, from deepest bottom of her heart, okay? She can do that. She can hand over the house to the husband, but not the husband insisting that she must hand over the document from the house to him. Like, for what? So it is obvious that this man married this lady because of the property. And I'm so happy that this lady realized this like so early. This is after 4 months they got married and then they divorced. This is so, they like, sometimes there's some things you see on internet like this, it will baffle you. You start thinking like where this world is going to, like, honestly. Things are really happening, ladies. You need to be careful. Like before, men are breadwinners, they are the provider in the family. But now, men, they are there lazing around, waiting for the woman to go out there, work and bring the money. And to the extent that if a wife is working, that the man even want that money to be coming straight to his account. Like, I don't even know what has happened to some of our men this time around. You see a young, vibrant man, a young, handsome man, you see him sitting inside the house, pressing, checking a woman that he going to scam, a woman that he's going to blackmail in order to, extort money from her. Before, I can remember before a man gets married, he will make sure that he's settled like very well, have built the house and all that, so that when the wife come in, the wife will be comfortable. But this time around, you will see because of a woman is rich, that's why you want to get married to her. And at the end of the day, you say this woman does not respect you. Like, how, Oga? How does all these things work together? How? If you know that you are this, rich ladies, like, be careful, because before a boy will come to you, that boy have motive. Just be careful, because all this news we are hearing, how all these young boys are scamming these big ladies. Like, it's supposed to be a lesson to others, so that we will learn. We don't want to hear all this ugly news every time. Bikono, we need to wake up. Ladies, wake up. Be wise. Don't buy the love. Don't force it. So that is what I just want to share with you guys. And leave your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I truly appreciate you guys. And I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye for now, guys. Bye. Bye.